Alright, got our intake gasket. This is going to be the last video, because I just don't want anything wrong with this car for the next person. Well, engine wise, you know, I can't help future regular problems, but this thing should last a long time. It's gonna take off. Oh yeah, definitely needed some love this side. Yes, I'm just gonna go ahead. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna hit that if I don't unplug that, so disconnect this. Set that aside here. Unplug this. Unplug and unset this. All right. Alrighty, get this out the way. Jeez, that was on there. Alright, that's off. Put it back on. 10mm as well. Alright, go ahead and just crank these over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoot, don't drop, man. Go for this one. 2. Alright, that should be everything. That should come right off. There we have it. Oh yeah. Oh, not too bad though. I'm gonna clean this up. Alright. This, we're gonna cut this to match your old gasket.
Yeah. Hey.
What?
I just tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just tell you.
Good job.
Yeah.
Alright. Got all of our new gaskets in here. Cleaned up everything down here. Cause I did take this out here
Out. Go out.
so I can clean it up.
Do what?
Where did I put the bolt? No.
What bolt?
Oh, it's already a bolt on there.
Hey.
Yeah. Okay. Alright. Oh, wait, let's back it up a little bit. That's good. Let's grab our intake and slide this in here.
Hey.
What?
I need to go out to see.
It's okay.
It is not day.
It is okay.
No, it's not. No. Oh.
This is fair. Then nice and flush on there. Alright, we're at 89 inch-pounds. So. Double check.
What?
That's all of them. Oh, sorry. They're gone.
I want to get out yet. Hey. What's this?
There's a mark.
Ow. How did it not here?
Alright.
You want that?
Now we can plug in our
No, why not
injectors. Easton. Now we can plug in our injectors.
Yeah.
Connector here. Another connector here. Right there. Map sensor. Right. Things plugged back in. Air hose right here back. Alright, that's good. Looks good.
What? Hey.
Okay, that's good. Tighten this on here. Alright, and that is it. Sadly, probably the last video in this series, unless someone needs a Malibu work done, but hope this helped. Don't forget to hook this hose back up here. I just did that. Started this and that with the closer. But honestly, so far, got the new seat, new shifter, new door panel. It's actually pretty nice in here. Nice and clean. Start this bad boy up. There we go. This light's always been on, but cool, nice. I got a new carpet here, black in the front, cream in the back. But yeah, this Malibu is gonna be gone.